How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about pelvic floor and kegel exercises for men. So right now we will go over the best 3 exercises in my opinion for your pelvic floor muscles, and then we'll talk about the kegel exercises as well. So we'll do that right now. Okay, you guys, we're going to go over right now the 3 best exercises. I will show you guys these right now, and then you guys can be the judge. In my opinion, these are the best. Number 1 exercise is going to be the squat. Hands down, the best exercise that you can possibly do. When you're performing these guys, you want to keep your hips below your knee joints. You also want to keep your lower back neutral. None of this rounding. You want to keep it neutral. Also, if your knees come over to your toes, that is perfectly fine. Again, as long as your back is neutral. It's as simple as that. The second exercise is going to be the lunge, you guys. Lunges are extremely important for strengthening those pelvic floor muscles. So lunges, I will show you guys right now how to perform them. Very easy to do. All you're going to do is basically like a kneel, you guys. Really stretch. You should feel the stretch in your pelvic floor muscles, you guys. That's the lunge, you guys. Now the third exercise, this exercise is fantastic. It's going to be an isometric wall sit, wall squat, if you will. So all you're going to do is go against the wall. That's why we're doing this video in here, if you guys have wondered. And then all you're going to do is go like this. Try not to do it on a light switch like I did and turn the fan on. So those are the best exercises. Now we'll talk a little bit more. Okay, you guys have seen me perform the 3 best exercises to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. So those exercises, again, are going to be just the free bodyweight squat, the lunge, and the isometric wall squat, you guys. Very easy to perform. That's why we're doing this video in here. That's how I do all my videos too. And for the wall, you guys, you need a wall that you can sit on to perform the squat. Now, people are going to be wondering, well, how do you find the pelvic floor? How do you find the kegel? How do you do these exercises? That brings me into doing the kegel exercises themselves. In order to find where your kegel is or your pelvic floor, all you're going to do is very simple. When you're urinating, taking a piss, whatever you want to call it, when you are pissing, you guys, when you're pissing midway through, stop urinating. Really hold back and stop urinating. And when you feel that muscle working, that is called your pelvic floor muscles. That is your kegel muscles working, you guys. So that is the muscle that you are trying to contract. Now, some of you are thinking right now, okay, so for the exercises, I'll simply stop urinating every single time I piss. Incorrect. Do not do this. This can lead to many, many bad things, you guys. Preferably bladder infections, actually weakening of the pelvic floor area if you perform this regularly, and bladder issues, like I've said, urine problems, stuff like that. Do not do this regularly. Just do it so you guys know what the muscle feels like. Once you know what the muscle feels like, now you can start performing exercises and feel that muscle working again. Another tip too, what people said, or what I've done my research on, is some people like to say that you're trying to hold off gas, you're trying to hold off farting or something like that. So that's another way that you might try to imagine it. That never worked for me. The best thing was stopping urinating midway through. That's how I easily found my kegel muscles, you guys, and that's how I practice the kegel exercises. As simple as that. That's how you guys can do it. Now, some people are wondering, well, what are the benefits of performing these? The benefits, like a lot of you guys will know, is that, well, some people think the number 1 exercise is, the number 1 tip is simply for performance in bed, lasting super long. In my opinion, the best tip or the best reason for performing these is to control your bladder. Having ultimate control of your bladder is amazing, you guys, and it can strengthen your bladder so you don't have to piss as fast or as often. So That's number one. Also, sexual performance is another one that a lot of people do this for, lasting longer in bed. Who wouldn't want to last longer in bed if you are a guy? So those are just some of the reasons why. So performing these exercises are very good, you guys. So now what we're going to do is, how do you actually perform these? Like for the squat, the lunge, and the isometric wall squat, what are you going to do for sets, repetitions? And then for your Kegel exercises, what are you going to do for sets and repetitions? Well, what I like to do for the isometric wall squat, the squat, and the lunge is simply perform 3 sets of 10 repetitions. So do that as one workout and do that twice a day, morning and at night. As simple as that. Do that every single day. Very easy workout. You will notice gains after you guys have started doing this for a few weeks. You will notice your pelvic floor muscles getting stronger, you guys. So I highly recommend doing that. As for the Kegel exercises, what should you do to, like, you guys have already found out where your Kegel muscles are simply by stopping urinating midway through. So how do we utilize those muscles? So you're going to find that same muscle that you found when you stopped urinating, and you want to flex that muscle and then release it. You want to do this 3 sets of 10 repetitions, morning, lunch, and afternoon. Here's the benefits. You can do it anywhere you guys want. You don't need to be at the gym or at home. You can flex those Kegel muscles anywhere you want. It doesn't matter where you're at, but I just recommend doing it 3 times a day just to keep things easy. And 3 sets of 10 repetitions, again, makes things very easy to follow. Do this for at least 2 weeks. I guarantee you that you will see results and that your muscles will be flexed. They will be strengthened. Guaranteed, you guys. Guaranteed. So end the video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please share the video and like it. Thanks for watching.